This is the Morrison County Food Shelf Fundraiser Weekly Update. Well, you've been busy bringing in your canned goods, dry packaged foods, and money, and your teachers have been busy tallying up your points. Well, who is the top class for week number 3? It is Mrs. Steffen's 4th graders, bringing in a whopping 218 items. That's awesome. A sweet treat will be delivered to your classroom today. And at Lincoln Elementary, how many items have we all brought in together? 599. That is fantastic. Thank you for bringing in those items. And if you didn't get a sweet treat because your class wasn't the top group, that's okay, because the point of the Morrison County Food Shelf Fundraiser is that nobody in Morrison County goes hungry. Instead, that everybody can have a full tummy. And with 599 items, that is fantastic. You should be very proud. And remember to stop into the foyer and watch the food items grow and grow. Well, how many points and items have we all brought in together over these past 3 weeks? Let's find out. Well, the first 2 weeks, we brought in 785 items, plus this week of 599 equals 1,384. That's awesome. Fantastic. And how is Mr. Edgerton going to drive all that to the food shelf? This is the Morrison County Food Shelf Fundraiser Weekly Update.